Bubba Sawyer here. Sneak peek of the new Stinger. Oh, it looks so awesome. I'm not done with welding it, but I got it semi-permanent. Oh, it's awesome. Let's take a closer look right quick, you guys. Save that for another video, showing you an in detail video. Sorry, an in detail video. I'm tired, guys. Just did this right quick. I was excited. Cut the old one off that set just right where the W is on the one winch. Oh my God, guys. Welding an eyelet here. Had a boat head on it for some kind of, like you would bolt into something for lifting, to hook my cable in so I don't sit there and bang around down there. Awesome, guys. Fits it. Well, you know, here it is, guys. The Stinger bar. Nice. We'll get back at you with more videos, but this is just a quick kind of a update. Thanks for watching, guys. Bubba Sawyer signing out.